Hey friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, come here. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank y'all so much for y'all love. Thank y'all so much for all of y'all support. Before we get into it, today is Thursday, December 8th. It's currently 3:02 p.m. Y'all, this day has been a struggle for your girl. It just has been, y'all. Like, y'all see how late it is and I'm just like getting ready, but you know, it is what it is, okay? I'm gonna include the get ready part of this video like towards the end, because as y'all see, your girl's pretty much already ready. I got my lashes on today, got me activated, my hair styled it, did my brows, got jewelry on. I wanted to wear studs today, so I did. And yeah, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit and stuff after, but I'm gonna talk to y'all about like staying focused in this video and just eliminating distractions. So anything you want to accomplish, of course, like you gotta stay focused in order to accomplish it. Like, you can't be all over the place, you can't be buying into distractions. Like, distractions is all around, but you gotta know when to pick it up and put it down. You get what I'm trying to say? Like, sometimes, don't get me wrong, distractions are good, they're healthy, because it makes you take a breather, kind of like take a step back, recharge for a quick second, and then go back into what it is that you're doing. But any goals that y'all are trying to reach, because y'all already know 2023 is gonna be a big year. So in order for it to be a big year, gotta stay focused. You know what I'm trying to say? You gotta be on your grind, you gotta handle your business, all of those things. You get me? So stay focused, y'all. How I stay focused is, like, for me, I would say one of like my biggest distractions for a long time, two of my biggest distractions, y'all, is people and social media. Like, those two things are my biggest distractions for a long time. And I've learned to just one, you gotta recognize that you need yourself just as much as people need you. So you have to decide where you want to channel your time, where you want to channel your energy, because you gotta get your stuff done too. You know what I'm trying to say? Like, you can spend so much time helping everybody else, but baby, you gotta make time for your own responsibilities as well. And I know sometimes saying no could be hard. I know sometimes like setting boundaries and stuff can be hard, but focus on the bigger picture. Remember what it is that you want. Don't put yourself on a back burner so that you can help other people, and then when it's your turn, they're not there to help you. You get what I'm trying to say? So like I said, two of my biggest distractions I feel like has always been people, and it's always been social media. So the first thing, let's address the whole social media thing. For me, I have times where I go on social media to post and then I get distracted, but I've learned to discipline myself and be like, come on girl, like stay focused or get back on track. Or I'll give myself like a 1-2 minute distraction break and then be like, okay, get back on track. You know what I'm trying to say? So that's one way I kind of like manage that distraction. I also have like a time limit on my social media. Like, Instagram is 45 minutes a day, and I think Facebook is like 30 minutes a day. I'm not gonna lie, depending on what I'm doing on Instagram, sometimes I go over my daily limit. Majority of the time I go over my daily limit, but that's because like there are certain people, like I tune into their live because I feel like their lives are like inspiring. It's them at work, it's probably them working out, like them doing something that I know that I need to do and I want to get motivation to do it, so I will watch them doing it. So most of the time I do go over my 45 minutes limit, but that aside, it do also help because it makes me aware, like, okay, I've already spent 45 minutes today on social media. I'll probably give myself like an extra 15-20 minute window and then be like, okay girl, that's enough. But other than that, that's one way I manage my distraction. Another thing, like I said, my phone can be a distraction, y'all, okay? Majority of the time, I ain't even gonna lie, especially nowadays, you can ask my husband, my phone is on do not disturb, because editing, like, that takes a lot of focus and it takes time. So with focus and time, I can't be having no distractions. Like, I think I showed y'all, like, for example, already I got 3 missed calls. I finally cleared out my voicemail, but there was a time that I had like 20 something voicemails. As y'all can see, like text messages, I don't tune into text messages either. I have 421 unread text messages, because again, it's just a distraction sometimes of what I want to do or with anything that I'm trying to get done. So nowadays, especially, majority of the time, my phone is on do not disturb. And sometimes you just have to, don't get me wrong, it sucks, because when people can't reach you, you know, like sometimes my siblings, my mom and stuff, they can't reach me, but they've learned to like understand that it's because I'm trying to focus on my work, focus on what I'm doing. You get what I'm trying to say? Especially if you're someone that works from home, it can be really, really hard, and it can be tempting to tune into those distractions, but you just have to discipline yourself and just tell yourself, I'm not going to buy into this distraction. So as I was telling y'all, look, this is December 1st, y'all, right? And 24 missed calls and 400 messages. As y'all can see, I did clear up my missed calls and stuff, but I'm down to 3. But my text messages is up to 421, and that's only been a week. So again, like, manage your distractions, don't tune into them, stay focused, do what you gotta do, and also just tell yourself, like, those things are always going to be there. Social media is always going to be there. So even after you're done working, even after you're done doing everything that you have to do, social media is still going to be there after. The people that's texting you, the people that's calling you, baby, they're still going to be there even after, okay? So it's okay to tune out distractions. It's okay to just silence like the noise and stuff like that. And to some people, you can just explain to them that, you know, like, I know my husband asked me the other day, like, why is your phone always on silent now? And you know, I explained to him, like, because it's a distraction sometimes, you know. So for him, I've set it up where like his text messages come through even if it's on silent, his phone calls come through even if it's on silent. Anybody else is not gonna come through, you know what I'm trying to say? If my phone is on, I mean, it still will come through, but I won't get the notification because my phone is on silent. So that's one way I manage that distraction. Now, as far as the distraction of people, how I manage that is I pick and choose the time that I spend with people. You get what I'm trying to say? If I know I have work to do, I could tell my mom and she'll completely understand, you know, Mom, I can't hang out today, or I can't see you today because I have this 45-minute video that I have to edit, or this 45-minute video that I need to cut down to 10 minutes. You know what I'm trying to say? And it's going to require a lot of time, a lot of focus. And she'll be like, okay, no problem. Like, she know I'm going to always be there even after work is done. You get what I mean? So there are some people around you that probably won't understand, and that's totally fine. They'll misunderstand you, and you have to be okay with that. But you could just talk to some of the people around you, and some people you can't even talk to them. You just have to make a conscious decision that, you know what, this person is a time waster, this person is a distraction, this person is always just demanding so much from me, and I can't give to them what they're demanding of me right now. So let me just zone out, handle my business, probably just kind of like ignore them a little bit. Eventually they'll get the message, but for the most part, that's how I manage my distractions with people. I don't go out and, I mean, let's say like, even if I was like in the office, for example, right? Because I did used to work in the office at one point. I would just tell my coworkers, like, look, I'll kick it with y'all after, but I really got to get this done, and they will just understand. You know what I'm trying to say? So I feel like the best way to manage even your distractions with people is to communicate and just take whatever you're doing serious, because when you take it seriously, they will take it seriously. You know what I'm trying to say? And that's with anything. It doesn't even have to just be with work. It could be with you exercising. It could be with you dieting. It could be you just doing whatever it is that you want to do, whatever goals that you're going to try to to reach, especially with the New Year's coming up. Like, you're gonna have new goals that you want to reach, and when you're trying to reach those goals, there will be things trying to distract you. But I'm sharing this with y'all to set y'all up for success for the new year, to set y'all up for success for the upcoming year. Like, tune out those distractions, talk to those people, watch your time and your energy, like how much you give and spend with them, and just focus on what you got to do. Like, that's my whole message in this video, is to just stay focused. Like, the people, they will be there after. Like, for me, I finished school in 3 years. I went to college and finished in 3 years. And even when I was done, like, because remember, I was taking 6 classes a semester, plus I was working part-time. So even while I was doing that, it was hard to make time for the people that I love. But when I was done, I spent time with them. They were still there. You know what I'm trying to say? So I feel like if people truly love you and they're truly like want to be a part of your life, a part of your journey, even after you finish whatever goal you're trying to accomplish, they will still be there. They're not gonna they're not gonna switch up on you because you're trying to reach a certain goal or whatever. If anything, they will understand. And if they don't understand, then I say just cut them off and just find better people to be around. But stay focused, y'all. Staying focused is like key. It's gonna be a key thing to having a big year in 2023. Like, you have to stay focused. You have to stay locked in. Don't let nothing distract you, and just slowly eliminate distractions as well. That's another thing. Like, don't try to do it quick. Don't try to do it like overnight or super fast. Like, no, like, take your time and eliminate those distractions. Like, work your way up to certain things. You get what I'm trying to say? Because for me, even with my YouTube journey, like getting back on my channel, like, I started off by dropping like 1 video a week. Then I upped it to like 2, 3, and then now y'all get me 6 days a week. And this is not easy, but I do it. You know what I'm trying to say? And it took me time, you know what I'm trying to say, to work my way up to that, where it's like, okay, like, even in my relationship, sometimes I sacrifice time because, like, I'm not kidding y'all, I'll be up till like 3, 4 in the morning. I have this thing that I say 8 till faint. So most of the time I'm up by 8 o'clock in the morning. So I'm grinding from 8 o'clock till I can't grind no more, till I faint. Or I might sleep at some point during the day, and then from 8 o'clock in the evening, I'm grinding because I drop videos at 8 o'clock. So by the time I drop a video till 8 o'clock, I'm grinding until I faint. Like, sometimes I could go to bed at like 3, 4 in the morning from doing this. So you just gotta work your way into that though. Like, I didn't start off just like that, but you have to work your way into it. So it's the same thing. If you're trying to lose weight, don't try to lose 50 pounds all at once. No, start off by like 5 pounds, then go up to 10. Like, ease your way up with anything that you're trying to do. Pace yourself, take your time. If you're trying to get better at managing your money, if you're trying to get better at making more money, like if you want to position yourself to make more money, take your time, take it one step at a time. Don't be like, try to make $1 million like off rip like that. No, like, start off by be like, okay, I want to make 5 figures a month. Go from 5 figures a month to I don't know, 6 figures a year, 6 figures a year to 7 figures a year. Like, literally just work your way up. So my camera is dying, y'all. I can't believe it, but that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna wrap it up. I guess I'm gonna try to show y'all my outfit real quick, and then I'm gonna insert the clip of me getting ready. Like, at the end, it's probably gonna be like 1-2 minutes, and then it's a wrap, y'all. But stay focused, man. Don't let nothing distract you. It's not easy. I promise it's not easy, but it's gonna be worth it. Don't let nothing take you off track. Don't let nothing take you off course. So this is my outfit. hoodie on. This is one of my favorite hoodies, y'all. And today, that's my color. It's pink. So I got this. Wait, let me take this out of my pocket. I don't know what that looks like. But I got this cute like sundress on, summer dress on, because I forgot to tell y'all, New England weather is nice today. So we matching the weather vibes. But I put this like hoodie over it or whatever, just, you know, because it's still fall. It's still not like summertime. But yeah, this is what I got on today. And y'all know I'm in the house for the most part because a girl got to edit, a girl got to get these videos out to y'all and all that. And then I got these white Croc slides and some black socks. Is that black or dark gray? Dark gray. So that's my outfit, y'all. I'm trying to get everything I can out of this camera juice, but that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna clip this part and then yeah, but stay focused, stay disciplined, stay motivated. Don't let nothing take you off track. Don't let nothing take you off course. Do whatever it takes to achieve whatever goals you have, especially for the upcoming year. So that's all I got for y'all. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great.